This is just for fun, but my real ulterior motive was to secure this wooden doll bed for my rabbit. Yeah, this might seem a little strange, but I swear, this is super hot with bunny owners. Remember this IKEA purchase? The Duke Dig doll bed. I'm about to put it to good use, giving it to J-Hop. Will she like it? We're about to find out. First things first, putting this thing together. IKEA furniture tends to be flat-packed and simplistic, which is how it's also on the more affordable side. The price of this bed has actually gone up though. It used to be around 15 bucks, now it's 20. Assembly wasn't too difficult, and like most IKEA projects, the Allen wrench is included. All four inside corners of the headboard and footboard have two holes. One is for a dowel, and the smaller hole is for the screw. Connect those pieces to the rails and insert the screws from the outside edges. Then use the Allen wrench to turn the screws into place. The bottom base of the bed can then be placed onto the frame. It does come with some basic bedding, but I wanted to make something a little extra. I've had this Cloud9 canvas for years, and the print goes well with the rainbow fleece I've used on J-Hop's other beds. Here are the measurements I used. 19.75 by 12.75 inches with a half-inch seam allowance. The pillow pieces are 10.5 by 6.5 inches. I used solid polar fleece inside the mattress part and extra stuffing and batting for the pillow. Place the pieces right sides together, but with the mattress pieces, the fleece should be on the outside. Make sure the fabric prints are facing each other. Pin around the edges and mark about 3 inches at the bottom to leave an opening for turning later. If you're working with a directional print, double check that they're facing the same direction. Quick note, many of the supplies featured in this video can be found in the Sewing Report Etsy shop. Over at the sewing machine, stitch from the marked start and stopping points with back stitching. I'm using the Brother CS7000i. If you're new to sewing, I have a lot of beginner-friendly tutorials on using this machine. A walking foot is good for projects with thick layers like this one. With scissors, clip all the corners off close to the stitching, but don't cut through. This will eliminate bulk in the corners. At the openings, I did press open the seams. Through that hole, gently turn both pieces right side out. I used a chopstick to carefully poke out the corners. To stuff the pillow, I sort of just eyeballed how much of the batting to cut. Once inserted into the pillow, I filled in any gaps with the polyfill. Last step is to edge stitch the openings closed on the mattress and pillow. Backstitch at the start and stopping points. Additionally, I stitched another line 2.5 inches from the outside edge for reinforcement. Now let's make this bed. Warning, you're about to see a shameless but cute sequence of the bunny seeing this bed for the first time and trying to figure out what's up. I make no apologies for this. Okay, so she's not super interested in the bed yet, but let's give her some time. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate you leaving a like and comment below. You can also check out more of my IKEA vlog next. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. See you again in the next video, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.